Good afternoon, my name is Marcel Gabaydulin. I am the founder of the company Construction Innovation. Our company develops and manufactures equipment for the production of composite rebar, composite mesh, and flexible ties. We have been supplying production lines since 2012, and during this time we have completed more than 50 projects in the United Arab Emirates, India, and Kazakhstan. For our clients, we provide a full range of services: design, manufacturing, equipment supply, installation, commissioning, staff training, and round-the-clock technical support. Our engineers oversee the project from the very first inquiry all the way until the line reaches its planned capacity. We are confident in the quality of our equipment, which is why we offer a 1-year warranty and extended support after production launch. Now, I will briefly explain how the composite rebar production line works. At the beginning of the line, there are racks with spools, fiberglass, and the splicer joining unit. It allows you to seamlessly connect spools that are running out with new ones, so the process is not interrupted. Next comes the pre-tensioning and preheating unit. Here the roller is heated and monitored. The unit is equipped with a node control system. If threads get caught in the unit, the line automatically stops to prevent defects. The next element is the combined impregnation unit. It contains a press for preliminary squeezing and dies for final shaping and pressing. At this stage, the fiberglass is impregnated with the binder and acquires the specified structure and shape. After this, the rod enters the periodic profile winding unit. Here, the periodic profile for adhesion with concrete is formed, as well as the final shaping of the rod's round cross-section. The entire line is controlled from the operator's console. All key process parameters are set and monitored from this console in real time. Next, the rods pass through a 9-meter-long polymerization oven. The oven has 4 independent zones and provides heating up to 300 degrees. It is here that polymerization takes place, and the final strength characteristics of the reinforcement are formed. After that, the reinforcement enters a recirculating cooling bath. In this bath, the heated rod is cooled, which stabilizes its properties and geometry. Lowering the temperature is also necessary to extend the service life of the polyurethane rollers. Next comes the pulling device. This device can be either a caterpillar or roller type. The caterpillar pulling mechanism reliably produces reinforcement with a diameter of up to 32 millimeters. At the end of the line, there is either a coiling machine or a cutting device installed. The coiling machine allows reinforcement with a diameter of up to 12 millimeters to be wound into coils with an adjustable diameter, which is convenient for transportation and storage. In our production workshop, where the equipment is installed, the length of the facility is 42 meters. This makes it possible to produce reinforcement bars up to 12 meters long. If the line is installed in a facility about 30 meters long, the maximum length of the bars will be no more than 6 meters. The production speed for 12 millimeter diameter reinforcement on this line is about 21 meters per minute. When operating at maximum capacity, a single line can produce up to 900 kilometers of reinforcement per month. In reality, taking into account technological reloads, maintenance stops, and equipment cleaning, the actual output, according to our experience and that of our clients, is about 650 kilometers per month. In terms of operating speed, our line is among the most high-performance solutions on the composite materials market. I would also like to specifically mention its reliability. Our lines operate around the clock at our own facility, 24/7, 365 days a year. We are constantly refining and improving the design, identifying and eliminating weak points during real-world operation, and then implementing these improvements in our serial equipment complexes. To date, more than 50 lines developed by our company are already in operation in Russia, the UAE, India, Belarus, and other countries. Among our clients is the company Composite in Minsk, Belarus, which operates 3 lines. Also, the Arab Basalt Fiber Company, which has 8 lines for the production of composite rebar operating at its sites. All products manufactured on our equipment have repeatedly undergone and continue to undergo the necessary testing and certification in accordance with international standards, including ISO standards and specialized standards for composite materials. If we look at the project's economics, the example is as follows. When producing 650,000 linear meters of rebar with a diameter of 12 millimeters at a cost price of about 50 cents per meter and an average markup of around 10 cents per meter, you get a sufficient margin volume to, under ideal conditions, recoup your investment in the equipment, approximately within 1 to 2 months of the line's operation. Construction Innovation is a leading Russian developer and supplier of lines for the production of composite fiberglass, rebar, and mesh. We specialize specifically in this equipment and have a deep understanding of all the technological nuances of its operation. Contact us, and within about 2 months after launch, your line will be able to reach its design capacity. Go to our website in the equipment section, leave a request, or contact us using the details below this video. Start a profitable business producing composite rebar and mesh together with Construction Innovation. We know how to turn an idea into a working production facility and are ready to go through this journey with you.